Zoleka tells Lazarus that she's pregnant, but Lazarus is sure that the baby is not his because he is infertile, he cannot have kids. But Zoleka is like, maybe you can be the father of this child. Utumeka is worried that Zoleka did not come to her wedding. Ngapha Sydney is sure that they will reinstate him emsebenzini. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka is just distressed. Lazarus comes over to say, what's going on? What's wrong? Talk to me. Zoleka is like, you know what? I can't do this anymore. I see in relationship. Lazarus is like, we're not doing that. Why are you breaking up with me? Ngiyakuthanda athi Zoleka, but it was not in a relationship anyway. We didn't give it labels. Hey, tell me what's going on, talk to me. Agcina amtshela uZoleka ukuthi yazini I'm pregnant. Lazarus ngikhulelwe ngimeet. Lazarus athi how pregnant? He was shocked. Vele ubone nje ukuthi ushaqekile. And then he says, who's the father of this baby? Zoleka is like, how? What do you mean? Because you and I have been intimate. I know that the baby is not mine. So who is the father? So it means and then Lazarus says, let me take you somewhere, then you'll know why I'm saying the baby is not mine. Lazarus takes Zoleka to an orphanage with 2 little saints and says, they get over there. There's the lady that works there. I'm introduced Lazarus Zoleka, this is my partner. And the kids see Lazarus and they come running. They seem to have a good relationship with him. As I to see so seven that appear, when they see him, it's like Babonu Father Christmas. They really like him. And then Zoleka is busy bonding with the kids as well, with the babies. Lazarus, we can just see that he feels at home with the babies. And then he tells Zoleka, you see this place? It's personal to me because it's not just about giving back. I cannot have kids. Zoleka, I'm infertile. Zoleka is shocked with how, please don't tell me this is the reason why your marriage is ended. At Lazarus, partly, and some of them, because I wanted kids. The other ones didn't, and the other times we couldn't have them, both of us. And all that. And then Zoleka I'm so sorry. And decides, you're a good man, Lazarus, for doing this for the kids and all that. And then Zoleka tells him, I'm 4 months pregnant. So this is clear, the baby is actually Hlati's baby. And Zoleka says that she's not ready to have another drama. No, Hlati. Lazarus as a movie. You are carrying a baby. Your ex-wako is married to your cousin. What a mess. Zoleka was like, you know what? I'm not ready to deal with the I think you could be the father of the baby, because Lazarus did mention that it has always been his dream to be a father because he believes that he could make a great father. Zoleka was like, I think you should be the father of this baby. I think this is a chance for both of us to heal. I wonder if Lazarus uzovuma to kacijaza abe ubaba this baby, so that Forrest does not get to have a say on this baby. Abhiza ingane kamabandla le umntwana igazi lami. And then Utumeka and Hlati, they're back from honeymoon. They look so happy. Hlati nje uForrest ubhizi uyadance. Umnandi nje. Utumeka is even saying that yes, if you carry on like this, you're gonna end up making another baby. She says this jokingly, not knowing that there's already a baby kamabandla that is already there kuzoleka. And then Utumeka is also worried about how Zoleka didn't come to my wedding and hasn't said anything since. So she's wondering what's going on. As the only weird thing is that you are married to her ex-husband. So Utumeka, but she did say she does not have a problem. Yeah, she might say something but feel something else. So maybe she just needs time. Ngapha Hlengiwe no Sydney. Hlengiwe has been trying to make some calls to try and get another job. But no one wants to hire her because they know she's involved in this fraud case. That's why she was fired. And then Sydney is chilling, relaxed, because he believes that, or he's confident that bazom reinstate a Khusela Tech, bazombuyisa, because they've not done a press conference to announce that he has been fired. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.